Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, welcome to online class. Rajnandini, on your video, Rajnandini, on your video. And where is Preeti Gujannavar?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Rajnandini. Rajnandini, where is Preeti Gujannavar?
अकेले हो गया तो बराबर मैं तो क्लास जॉइन अगली थी.
Yes. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about prime factorization. Okay. Already we started playing with numbers this lesson, and today's topic prime factorization. Yesterday what we discussed? Yesterday we discussed common factors and common multiples. How to find the common factors and how to find the common multiples. We discussed many examples. Yes or no? Yes. And today's prime factorization. They are given one number. You have to divide that number only using prime numbers, because you know that already how to draw the factor tree. You know that because factor tree means here 24 is there. This 24 have the product of two numbers. Then which number's product is 24? It means product of two numbers. That two numbers which we don't know. Okay, 24. Which two numbers product? Then we are telling, sir, this is the product of 12 and 2. Yes, 12 2s are 24. The 24 is product of 12 and 2. And again, if it is possible, you should extend it. 12 is the product of 6 and 2. And 6 2s are 12. And then possible you should extend it. 6 is the product of 3 and 2. 6 is the product of 3 and 2. It is very important. Remember in your mind. Okay. Now let us discuss next. Okay. Now we are going to discuss yes. Yes, dear students. Now we are going to discuss about, this is factor tree. Now prime factorization means how to solve the problem. Here we have to find the product of numbers. It is product of the number. 24 is product of 12 and 2, and 12 is product of 6 and 2, and 6 is the product of 3 and 2. This is called factor tree. Then prime factorization means which type of problems are there. Okay, now I am going to solve one problem. Okay, now let us discuss, find the prime factorization of 80. Find the find the prime factorization of 80. Okay. Then how to find this problem? Okay, find the prime factorization of 80. First you have to write here 80. Okay, then you have to use only prime numbers, because already we discussed it. What is prime number? Prime number means which numbers have only two factors, that numbers we are calling prime numbers. Okay, now prime numbers means that numbers is completely divisible by one and itself. That all numbers we are calling prime numbers. It is very important. Now you have to think which is the prime number. Okay, already you know the total prime numbers in between 2 to 100, total 25 prime numbers are there. Already I given homework also. You should list the prime numbers. Then this 80 is completely divisible by 2 or not? Sir, yes sir, because already we learned divisibility of the numbers. This number is given 80, we easily identify 80 is completely divisible by 2 or not? Yes sir, it is completely divisible by 2 because the 80 have its unit place 0 is there, because the given numbers unit place have 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. That whole number is completely divisible by 2 only. Okay, then you have to use here 2. 2's the table have 8 or not, because of you have to recall division problems, how to divide the problems, you have to recall that. Then 2 4's are 8 and 0 directly, because 40 2's are 80. 80 is the factors of 40 and 2. Okay, then come to the next. Again 2 2's are 4 and 0 as it is, because 20 2's are 40. Then next 2 1's are 0 and 10 2's are 20. And next 2 5's are, yes, 5 2's are 10. Okay, now the 5 is completely divisible by 2 or not? Sir, not sir, because 2's are table not have 5, sir. Then again go to the next table, that should be prime number. Okay, 2 is the prime number, right? 3's the table have or not? 3's the table have 5, 3 1's are 3, 3 2's are 6 is there, 5 is not there. Then 4's the table not, 5's the table, because 5 also prime number. Then 5 also prime number, 5 1's are 5. You have to divide up to remainder should be 1. You have to divide, you should continue. The remainder should be 1, then you have to stop. Then again, which number you have to use it, that number you have to multiply it. Okay, how many times 2 is divided? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and again 5. Then 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16, 16 5's are 80. This is called prime factorization. This is also one type of factor tree. Okay, now let us discuss next one. Okay, next one problem, second one. Find the prime factorization of 980. This is the given problem. Find the prime factorization of 980. Okay, then you have to write first 980, then you have to divide using only prime numbers. Using only prime numbers. Okay, 2 4s are 8, then 2 4s are 8. You have to do mentally, okay? You have to do mentally. 2 4s are 8, and 9 minus 8, 1 is remaining, and 1 here it means it is 18. 2 9s are 18, and 0 as it is. 492s are 980. Yes. The product of 2 and 490 is 980. Then next, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, and 2 5s are. Yes. Then next, 2 is completely divisible by 225 or not? Sir, not sir, because the unit place have 5, sir. In the given numbers, unit place is 5. 2 is not completely divisible by that number. Then what we do? Yes sir, you have to check next number. Next number, which is the next number? 3 the table have? Yes or no? 3 the table have or not? No, we are going to directly 5 the table only. 5 4s are 20, 5 9s are 45, and 7 7s are 7 1s are. Because 7 also prime number. Okay, 7 also prime number, and remaining you have to do here 2 into 5 into 7 into 7. Okay, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 4 5s are how much? 4 5s are 20, 25s are 27s are 240, 240 27s are how much? 140, 147s are 980. This is called prime factorization. Okay, okay, write down this one. Okay, next one, find the common factors of 6, 12 and 16. Okay, this is given problem. It is 2 marks question. Okay, find the common factors of 6, 12 and 16. Okay, then first of all you should write here the factors of 6 is, the factors of 6 is, first you have to find indivisible. Okay, one by one you should find the factors. One by one you should find. Okay. Then 6 have which table, that is all numbers factors of 6. Then 1 is the factor of all numbers. Remember, that is very important point. 1 is the factor of all numbers. 1, 2s are taken halves, 3s are also, 4s are not half, 5s are not half, 6s are. Yes. The factors of 6 is 1, 2, 3 and 6. And next one, the factors of 12 is, the factors of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, again 4, 5, 6 and 12. These are the factors of 12. 12 have how many factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 factors. Okay. And the factors of 16 is, the factors of 16 is 1, 2 and 3 not, 4, 5 not, 6 not, 7, 8, again 16. These are the factors of 16. And 16 have how many factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 16 have how many factors? 5 factors. It is very important. Okay. Now you have to think here. 16 have 5 factors. I already listed. 6 have how many? 12 have how many? 16 have how many? Then again, next step. What is the next step? So you should find common word is there. Common word means one number occupy all place. One number is occupied all place. Because you have to think here, 1 here, 1 here and 1 here. Then 3 lines also 1 is there. 1 is the common number. Then you have to circle it. 1 is common number. Then next one, 2 is there or not? Yes sir. 2 sir. It is also common factors. 2 also common factors. Again you have to think, sir, 3 is there but here not 3 sir. 3 is not a common factor. Then leave it. And here 4 sir and here 4 sir, first line not there sir. Then that is also not. And 6 not. And this is only the common factors of 6, 12 and 16 is, how many are there? Sir, 1 and 2. Otherwise you should write here only 1 and 2. These are the common factors of 6, 12 and 16. Already yesterday class I discussed this one. Yes or no? Yes. Now we have to write down this one. Remaining we are going to discuss now. Okay. Find the common multiples of 5, 10 and 15. Find the common multiples of 5, 10 and 15. Find the common multiples. First you have to list multiples of individual. Okay. Multiples of 5 is the multiples of 5 is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, etc., etc., etc. Because multiples are uncountable. Because you have to multiply with a given number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so many are there. You should multiply with the given numbers. Then that product is called multiples of that number. Okay. Now next one, multiples of 10 is 10 have how many multiples? So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, so many are there, etc., etc. Okay. Then multiples of 15 is 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, and next, which is 105, etc., etc. So many are there. Next step, both sides which number is there, that is the common factor. That is the common factor. Okay. 5, 10 here and here, but here not. 10 is not a common multiples. 15 not, 20 not, 30, 30, 30 and 30. Yes sir, 30 is there. 30 is the common multiples. Okay. And here 60 is there and here also 60. But so many numbers are there, I am going to write only one. The common multiples of 5, 10 and 15 is 30, 60, so many others. Okay, write down this one, it's very important. Okay, next one we are going to discuss now. Okay, next one problem. I discussed yesterday co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. The word co-prime numbers means what? Sir, which numbers? Which two numbers have only one is the common factor, only one is the common factor, that numbers we are calling co-prime numbers. Yes, you have to remember prime numbers, one is the prime number, another one is the composite number, that numbers we are calling co-prime numbers. That numbers we are calling co-prime numbers because now 17 and 38, these numbers are co-prime numbers or not, you have to check. Before that, you know that, yes or no, 17 and 38 is given here, and 17 and 38 have how many common factors? You have to think it. Sir, 17 have how many factors? 17 have the factors of 17 because this is the prime number. And 38 have how many? Sir, 1 have, sir, 2, and next please. 4 the table have? No. 6 the have 38? No. 7 the? No. 8 the? No. 9 the? 10 the? Not. And 19 the? Yes. 19 the have. And 38 the have. But here both sides which number is there? Sir, 1 only is there, sir. Then 17 and 38, these are the co-prime numbers. We are calling that is co-prime numbers because sir 17 and 38 have only one is the common factor. Here 1 is the common factor, that's why 17 and 38 is co-prime numbers. Remember that. Okay, next one. Draw a factory of 90. It is very important. Draw a factory of 90. We should draw the factory of 90. Okay, first 90. Okay, 90 is the which two numbers product. Okay, then 45 into how much? 2 za. Then 40 is which numbers product? Sir, 9 into 5 za. 9 into 5, 9 5 za 45. Then 9 is the factor of two numbers, please. Sir, 3 into 3. 3 3 za 9. This type also we should draw factor 3. Otherwise, sir, we don't know, sir, this type which draw this type. 90. Okay. 45 2 za, then how much? 9 5 za and 3 za. This type also you have to draw because same method, same answer, and here also it is different and it is one square box we are writing there because here into mark is there. Okay, write down this one. Okay, next. Find the prime factorization of 100. Find the prime factorization of 100. Today I will give you exercise 3.4. Today I will send you exercise 3.4 problems you have to solve and send me again. Okay. Find the prime factorization of 100 means you have to do here 100 divided by, because you have to divide only prime numbers. You have to divide only prime numbers. Okay. Now 2. Okay. Here I got 2 because 100 is completely divisible by 2. Hi, sir. The ones place have 0, sir. Then 2 5s are 10 and 0 50 2s are 100. 100 is the product of 50 and 2. Okay, then again 2 1s are no, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 25, 2s are 50. Now 2 is completely divisible by 25 or not? No. Then 25 have which table? Yes, 5s are table. 5 5s are and 5 1s are, because remainder is 1, then you have to stop your division. Then remaining these problems you have to multiply here 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. 25s are 100. This is the okay. Remaining problem we are going to discuss next class. Now I am going to finish my class. Okay. I will ask some question.